Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at the easiest way you can make your own scrub for the face, because many people you have been asking me, coach, help us and tell us how to make our own scrub for our faces. So today I decided to come up with the easiest ingredients you can mix in order to come up with a nice scrub for your faces. Remember, if you are suffering from pimples, you have black spots, you have acne, you want to get a glowing skin, please, you need this scrub. Remember, it's very easy to make at home. You just need honey and other ingredients which you will see in this video. But guys, I'm requesting you, if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, why not subscribe right now? Let us make one family here. And of course, give a like to this video like we always do, and comment on this video. And don't forget, by the way, to tell us where you are watching this video from, because me right now, I'm in Uganda. What about you? But don't forget to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Let's go to our video. I want you to get 2 spoons of white sugar. Guys, I'm talking about white sugar. Remember, we have 2 types of sugar, brown sugar and white sugar. But get for me 2 spoons of white sugar. You get it. So from that, look for me natural honey. Add 1 spoon of natural honey to your white sugar, which you have already added to your preferable container. Trust me guys, this recipe is very powerful. This scrub is very easy to make at home. If you need a glowing skin, you need to use this scrub at home. Then from that, add for me 1 spoon of lemon juice. Okay, if you are looking for glowing skin, if you want to remove black spots, if you want to remove pimples, acne, everything from your face, you need to try out this scrub. It's very easy to make at home, so why not try it out? You'll thank me later. But guys, don't forget to mix very well. And remember, when you're mixing your scrub, make sure that sugar dissolves very well, okay? But watch the entire video. I'm going to tell you when and how to use this scrub. So let's go. Guys, you have seen our preparation. It's very easy to make at home. You just need 3 things. You need sugar, you need few drops of lemon juice, you need natural honey. But after mixing your recipe, in fact, when you are mixing your recipe, make sure that you mix very well until your sugar dissolves. Until your sugar dissolves. But after mixing, before using this recipe or before scrubbing your face, I want you to first wash your face, dry your face. You wash your face, and after you dry your face. From that, I want you to use your scrub to scrub your face gently for 5 minutes. Okay? Gently for 5 minutes, and then from that, I want you to wash your face with plain water. With plain water, you get it. So from that, you can be repeating the procedures only 3 days in a week: Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Guys, don't scrub every day, because this recipe is very powerful. You have to do it only 3 days in a week: Monday, Wednesday and Fridays. Subscribe to this channel, give a like to this video, and of course comment on this video. And if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, guys, subscribe right now, okay? And tell us where you're watching this video from. Guys, let me say have a nice time. May God bless you. Bye bye. See you again. Care about your skin. Bye bye.